Hey everyone, today we'll be opening a hobby box of Bowman Draft 2016 Baseball. 3 autos per box. This will be part 1. Part 2 should be uploaded on Thursday. You'll be seeing this video be uploaded on Sunday, May the 7th. Let's get into it. I have my friend here too. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, you might remember him. He's the guy with the list.
The list? Yeah, the list
The
is
list
bad.
is real.
The list is real, yes.
If I can get this box open.
He can't.
I can't, you're right.
He's like...
I'm actually so bad.
He's challenged, so... Leave a like for his...
Leave a like for my mental disability.
We'll be setting up a GoFundMe for his...
many conditions. Alright, here we go. Let's open this thing. What is this?
A little bit of trouble still.
A little bit of trouble opening this up. I don't know.
Here we go.
Hey. Oh, I see. This. Ah, hey.
Hey.
I'm not as dumb as
Here
I
we go.
Alright,
Okay.
look at this. There's the box.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Alright.
So I'll start with one pack.
I'll start.
I'll go. Pack number 1. Ton of nice prospects in here. Top picks, of course, being Bowman Draft. Christian Arroyo, not first, doesn't really matter. Another Arroyo, Hanson, Lauer, Glaber. $4 Glaber. Those Glabers are so expensive. Justin Dunn first, Nolan Martinez. Draft dividends, AJ Puck. Look at that. 1,050 spots up. That's pretty good. Kirilloff refractor. 15th pick? Yes, 15th pick. Shane Bieber refractor. And Joshua Lowe, Gavin Lux. And Ronnie Williams. The last card in that pack. Right there.
Alright. Let's open this pack. Let me...
If you can.
If I can. I have a...
He also has a disability.
We both have disabilities. This is why we chose to do this. Like AJ Puck.
He doesn't know many prospects, but he does know Puck.
Yeah. Just gonna go through all the cards. Yeah.
Barreto was good.
Raphael, it's not bad.
Dang, you know it.
Matthew Zimmer.
Oh, Delvin Perez.
Yeah.
Sky blue. That's actually nice. They aren't numbered, but they're actually a higher value than some numbered cards. Dylan Tate refractor. Alright, winding down. I'll be up next.
Matt Chapman.
And Zach Collins first.
Yes.
Alright. My turn. If anyone wanted to look at the eyes. There you go.
There we go.
Okay, guys. Don't be doing any speculation. That was this, I promise you. Alright. Get my mom. My mom's calling us. My mom's calling me. She doesn't know what we're doing right now. Alright. Justice Sheffield, Dylan Cease, Cubs fan. Caprillion, Tommy John. Kyle Tucker. Kyle Biggio, Anthony Seymour, Rex Hawkins, Thomas Jones, Zimmer. Fantasy Impact Zimmer. Nice Ian Anderson first, Bowman refractor. Puckett. Too bad it's not Puck. That's a Puckett. Jesus Luzardo refractor. Mayhaw Thompson. Hayward. Adcock. That's nice.
That's very nice.
Alright.
Next pack. Alright. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Bichetti. Heater. Oh, Dalton Jeffries. Just avoid his autograph. Oh, nice. Riley Pine purple at 250. Show the number.
Okay.
He actually grew up very close to us. Went to Aquinas.
Right here.
4th pick. 87 at 250.
All right.
Low Lux. I got low on Lux in my first pack. Corey Ray. 5th pick. I've watched so much draft, I know like the whole first one.
All right.
My pack now. If you would like to buy any of these cards, or if you want like paper base,
Leave a comment or email us.
comment or email us, or check out our first video of just card selling.
But you know, you might not want to.
Yeah, it's pretty cringy.
It's cringy. Okay.
Oh, I'm at Rosario. Top pick, Funkhauser.
That's a great name.
Anthony Greer. Connor Jones. Zach Birdie. Dylan Cozens. Will Benson. Normal. There's a Brett Lilac draft dividends from 2015. What? I've never seen that. Second Ian Anderson. Chrome refractor. Steven Alimias or something. Probably butchered that. Refractor. First Bowman. Garrett Hampson. Jake Bowers. Andrew Jackson. Right?
All right. So let's over. Open up this pack. All right.
No autos yet.
No, not yet.
Hope it's not a scam.
Probably is, because we're not there.
Because we're pretty dumb. Low, nice. Pots. Ooh, direct dividends. Really, no auto? I think there's gonna be no auto in here. Yep. After 2 refractors, a bunch of base. Paper base. I gotta speed through paper base. No one wants to look at your paper base.
No. And all right.
Alright, so there's part 1. 6 packs left in the
Hopefully
box.
there is a autograph.
3 autos in there, I would hope. Anyway, that's the end of part 1. We'll see you guys in part 2.